Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, "We were in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he declared a man a denizen of hell, who claimed Islam. When the battle started, that man showed many daring feats till he got wounded. It was said, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the person you declare to be one of the denizen of hell fought violently today and died.' The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'He has gone into hell.'" He, Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, "There was a peril that some people will be troubled by doubts at this statement. Suddenly someone said, 'He has not died but has severely been wounded.' When the night fell, he lost his patience and committed suicide. When it was conveyed to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is the greatest. I testify that I am the bondsman of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his apostle.' Then he commanded Hazrat Bilal to announce publicly, 'None will enter paradise save the Muslims, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu reinforces this religion even through a transgressor.'" Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3062.